Sonny Rollins prépare le volume 2 de ses aventures chez Blue Note, un album qui sera autant un tournant musical que visuel.
Total Record.
« 1957. On vit une décennie prodigieuse pour le jazz sur fond de lutte pour les droits civiques.
Nous gagnerons l'égalité raciale.
Et tout se passe à New York, où une nouvelle génération de musiciens se place à l'avant-garde du jazz, avec entre autres Miles Davis, John Coltrane et Sonny Rollins.
Sonny Rollins was born and raised in Harlem, and he actually made his first record when he was like 19 years old. He was the first modern jazz tenor player to develop his own style.
Sonny Rollins entre en studio pour sa deuxième performance avec Blue Note. Quand les artistes pop sortent 2 albums par an, les jazzmen en publient des dizaines. Les musiciens improvisent et enchaînent les disques de reprise. Blue Note est le seul label à financer les répétitions. Du coup, les artistes développent un répertoire original.
So this meant like when Verve or Prestige were putting out albums with improvised blues, and Blue Note was putting out, fresh new compositions.
L'autre singularité du label est l'identité visuelle. Si de grands noms de la photo comme Lee Freelander illustrent des disques d'Atlantic ou du Capitol, les fondateurs de Blue Note développent une identité unique.
Alfred Lion and Francis Wolff were Berliners, and they were both very, very much big fans of the Bauhaus school of design. They had a far more modern sense of design than most Americans did.
Pour comprendre le style Blue Note, il faut commencer par la photo et le photographe du label, Francis Wolff.
Francis, because he was first and foremost a photographer and secondly a jazz lover, he took his Rolleiflex camera to every session and he shot, I would say, maybe 64 images at every session.
Francis Wolff développe une technique basée sur des contraintes. Les espaces exigus des studios imposent la contre-plongée sur des musiciens toujours en mouvement.
And the scary thing about it is when you look at contact sheets, is that almost every photograph is excellent.
À la photo de Wolff s'ajoute le graphisme d'un très jeune designer, Reed Miles.
He was working at Columbia Records during the day, but at night he would design covers for Blue Note, just to make a little bit more money. One of his most amazing achievements was marrying cropped images of Francis Wolff's photography with graphics with type. Type for Reed Miles became the most important ingredient.
Son sens du graphisme est semblable aux expérimentations des musiciens. La typographie devient un élément visuel. Ses designs retranscrivent un esprit d'avant-garde. Le futur, c'est ici et maintenant.
The most amazing thing is that he didn't like jazz. He never heard any Blue Note record that he designed the cover for. And he had to rely on Alfred's description of what the record was about in order to create a cover. And every time, it was letter perfect.
Wolff et Miles vont appliquer cette méthode sur des centaines de pochettes.
The covers had a reverberating effect throughout not only jazz but throughout rock and roll and pop and punk. So yeah, Blue Note had a very, very big effect graphically, I think, in album design.
L'approche graphique de Blue Note ouvre la voie à une multitude de labels et de musiciens.
Total Record.